Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can make Venpongal from millets in a rice cooker. Pongal is a South Indian dish traditionally made from rice and split urad dal or pasi parpu in Tamil. It is usually eaten for breakfast with chutney and sambar. As you know, white rice is a carbohydrate rich cereal and can cause blood sugar to spike rapidly within half an hour. So, white rice is not so good if you are aiming to avoid glucose spikes. This is because rice used for cooking or making pongal is polished rice in which the bran has been removed. The outer layer or bran is the layer which contains fiber, vitamins and minerals. This is where millets have an important role in our diet and have an edge over rice. Millets are indeed superfoods. In 2023, the year just gone by, the Indian government had declared 2023 as the year of millets. Millets are an ancient grain which have been eaten in India for thousands of years. Millets have been a staple diet of farmers, while rice and wheat have become the staple diet of urbanized. They can be harvested within 2 months. They don't need a lot of water and can be grown in arid land. They are resistant to infection and infestation and don't need much pesticides for cultivation. They have tremendous health benefits, particularly for people with blood sugar problems. These are 1. Millets contain a lot of fiber. Fiber is a non-digestible form of carbohydrate. However, the bacteria living in your gut eat this fiber and thrive on it. So they are happy. So fiber is essential for gut bacterial health. Good bacterial health or good gut health through these friendly bacteria is now being recognized worldwide as a very important health asset. If you have good gut health, you can mitigate or ward off the impact of pre-diabetes, diabetes and other diseases arising from increased blood sugar levels. Number 2, millets are useful for people with gluten intolerance. 3, in addition, millets are a good nutritional source. Check this video to know more about the nutritional facts of millets. The 5 positive millets are barnyard millet, brown top millet, foxtail millet, kodo and little millets. Today, I will be using barnyard millet to make Venpongal. Millets are as easy to cook as millets are as good as rice. They can be cooked easily like rice. However, unlike rice, it is best to soak millets for about 2 hours and ideally for 8 hours. After soaking and before cooking, they need to be washed and rinsed 2 or 3 times. I will be showing that in the video. Today, I am going to cook millet pongal in a rice cooker. I will be adding the garnishing to pongal on a gas stove. I will lead you to my kitchen now to show you the process. To cook barnyard millet pongal, I have taken 175 grams of barnyard millet in this, and I am going to add this in the rice cooker. And then I will add, this is algal lentil or split urad dal. I am going to take 105 grams of this in this and add it into the rice cooker. So we'll be taking, I have taken 175 grams of millet and I will be taking 105 grams of pasi parpu, algal lentil or split urad dal. So I'm taking 105 grams of split urad dal and I'll be adding it into the rice cooker. So I've got about 2 cups together of millet and dal. So I'll be adding 2.5 times the amount of these 2 cups of water into this. Three-fourths of a cup, 4 3/4 of a cup. That's sufficient water. Twice the amount of water of millets and dal. I'm now going to place this in the rice cooker. Depress the cooking switch and let it cook. The time is 9:15. Let's see how long it takes for the pongal to cook in the rice cooker. Once the pongal is cooked, I'll be seasoning it with cashew nuts, curry leaves, chopped ginger, pepper and jeera. It's boiling over. It's 9:40 and this millets is showing signs of cooking. Once the millets are cooked, I'll be frying all these components which are laid out here. Fresh pepper, ginger, cashew nuts, jeera, curry leaves and a touch of asafoetida. I will be adding salt to taste and there will be plenty of ghee used. It seems to be cooked. Now this is the final stage of tempering or seasoning. This millets is cooked nicely and the final part will be done. Ghee is melting and to this I will add plenty of pepper, keep the gas at sim. Jeera, red ginger, curry leaves, a lot of cashew nuts, the charm of Venpongal is in biting into these cashew nuts. There should be at least one cashew nut per mouthful. Then people will love it. Hing or asafoetida. Mix it up. The cashews are turning golden brown. You can see the cashews turning golden brown here. This is the time to add the millets into the mix. Stir the contents so that the cashew nuts, pepper, curry leaf, jeera is spread uniformly throughout the pongal. Now it's time to add salt according to taste. I will add about 2 measures or 2 teaspoons of this Himalayan rock salt. You cook it until this pongal separates from the kadai, coming together as a whole lump. We can taste it and then decide if further salt is required. I've got a bite of cashews, pepper, and the salt is adequate. Curry leaves are there. So it seems to be done now. Clarified butter or ghee. I'm going to switch off the gas stove because it's all done. So this is Millet Pongal made from barnyard millet. Try this out. Give it to your near and dear ones who may be diabetic. Even other normal people can switch over to millets because millets are so healthy for your diet. They have a lot of protein, fat. They have a low glycemic index, and most importantly, they have a lot of fine fiber. Fiber is very important, extremely important for gut health. Your gut bacteria or the microbiome of the gut thrives on fiber. So this Millets Pongal is an excellent way to begin the day as a breakfast, Millet Pongal breakfast along with chutney. If you like this video, share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up. If you are new to cooking millets, I have made a video on how to cook millets in a rice cooker. You can check it up here. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel A.K. I will see you in another video. Cheers.